Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to have a look at the battery equivalent of the AG1 watch battery or the LR621. As you can see here on the back of the watch battery, we can actually read LR621. So this is going to be very similar to the AG4 watch battery, the 377, but it is going to be a little bit thinner. So the AG4 is going to be a little bit thicker. Now I'm going to leave a link in the description below to the AG1 battery. We can also find it online under the name of LR621 or L621 or even LR620. I'm also going to insert a picture with all the common battery equivalents of the AG1 battery. All of these are going to be the exact same battery type. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the watch battery. And here on the table you can see that I have a bunch of watch battery types. I'm going to make separate videos with each watch battery type and their equivalent. If you enjoyed this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, we have a bunch of videos, so make sure to check them out. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.